We are going to take a deep dive into the astral plane today, which is an ethereal embrace that exists outside of the physical world. Our exploration of this higher dimension's mysteries and transforming force will be aided by the brilliant knowledge of the Arcturian Council. Imagine a location where space and time are non-existent, allowing consciousness to roam freely and make connections with higher energies and more profound understandings. Many spirits come together in this hallowed place, stepping beyond the bounds of the physical world to imagine a future full of peace, love, and communal awakening. The astral plane's sacred space, we come together with like-minded beings in this celestial gathering place, putting aside our differences to work toward the development of a new earth, an earth where spiritual richness, equality, and creativity bloom. We explore the mysteries of the astral realm together, revealing the deep spiritual work that frequently takes the form of our dreams at night, but is essential to the change of our world. Come along as we interpret the signals from the Arcturian Council, comprehend the significance of the astral realm for our ascent, and accept our fate as aware architects of a bright future. This voyage touches the sacred and goes beyond the everyday. So get ready to raise your consciousness and your spirit. Letters from the Council of Arctur, we convey a message of great importance from the far reaches of the universe. It is with great honor that we, the Arcturian Council, impart this wisdom to you. We are incredibly grateful for what we see, the exquisite development of Earth, and the elevating journey of human consciousness. We are aware of the great difficulties and tribulations you have encountered throughout your time on Earth. Recognize that you are not alone in this journey. We are here to provide you with constant support and direction. The challenges you face are merely stepping stones toward further knowledge and development. The cornerstones of a peaceful future are harmony and cooperation. We can cover the entire globe with love and a light tapestry if we work together. The joint efforts of all those pursuing enlightenment are propelling the collective ascent of awareness, making it more than just a dream, but a reality in motion. The astral plane's function in transformation. The astral plane, which is located beyond the physical world's curtain, is a place where people who share similar beliefs come together to imagine and design new systems for the globe. Considerable work is completed in this four-dimensional space. A great deal of the people who attend these late-night events wake up with extreme exhaustion, which is a reflection of the intense energy work they do while their bodies are sleeping. Despite any distinctions that may exist in the physical world, unity is the norm in the astral dimension. Here, there is a common recognition of the need for change, as well as a remarkable capacity for unrestricted movement and communication with a wide variety of species. This realm exists outside the bounds of the physical world and provides a sacred space for the exchange of transformational energies and deep insights. As a gateway to higher realms, the astral plane enables our consciousness to perform essential spiritual tasks. It is a place where people come together to forge their aspirations into reality, creating the path for the new structures and peaceful coexistence that we all aspire to. Imagining a different Earth, the plans for new earthly systems go beyond the existing arrangements that prioritize the few at the expense of the many. Imagine a society in which the distribution of wealth is fair, guaranteeing that each person has the means to live a happy and satisfying life. In this imagined future, integrity and the common good, rather than covert objectives and power struggles, drive politics, which are conducted in complete transparency. Education also undergoes a metamorphosis, emerging as a fulcrum of creativity and introspection that fosters the individual gifts and potential of every person. This future is something we can actually build together, not just some far-off dream. True reform, however, necessitates a collective awakening, a shared duty that every one of us must accept, rather than putting our expectations in the hands of a small number of politicians. Change is the result of many people working together toward a common goal and vision, not the work of a select few. The astral realm as a haven for transformation. This Earth community recognizes the great need for cooperation in the astral dimension. Here, souls come together for a common goal that transcends the false sense of separation that permeates the material world. Disparities are put aside in this sacred place, and our shared awareness of the necessity of significant change unites us. As we work to restore and recreate our reality, greater consciousness leads us to a sanctuary in the astral realm. Sacred councils are held on a regular basis on the astral plane, where the state of the planet is debated and essential adjustments are envisioned. These gatherings offer positive energy and foster an environment where practical blueprints for a new Earth are formulated under the guidance of divine inspiration. Every soul weaves the threads of a brighter future where harmony, love, and unity reign by contributing their distinct viewpoint and energy. Realizing the dream of a changed Earth, the people of Earth labor ceaselessly in these otherworldly domains, exemplifying the values of mutual respect and collaboration. By working together, we bring the vision of a changed Earth where all living things can live in harmony and happiness to life. Strong community ties weave a web of support and connection on this new Earth, where renewable energy powers sustainable cities. The comprehensive nature of health and education systems ensures that every person can realize their full potential by encouraging both individual and societal growth. Accepting that we are co-creators gives us the ability to work together to influence the future of our world. Let's embrace this. We are all essential components of the cosmic puzzle, and the secret to realizing our limitless potential is found in our collective consciousness. We come to see that we are not distinct, but rather a part of a vast whole that has the capacity to create a universe full of light, love, and boundless possibilities as we awaken to our actual nature and our connection to source energy. An appeal for cooperation and unity, a new era of wisdom and harmony will dawn through our unwavering cooperation and collective awakening. With hearts full of appreciation and resolve, let's continue forward, knowing that our combined efforts will open the door to a future in which every person is respected, empowered, and free to flourish. By working together, we shall bring about the new Earth, a place where dreams come true and awareness permeates every aspect of our lives. Imagine a different Earth, where the preservation of the environment and peaceful cohabitation are fundamental to our shared awareness. Imagine thriving, renewable energy-powered communities where a strong sense of community unites us all. This vision promotes both individual and group progress by adopting a holistic approach to health and education. Every person on this new Earth has the ability to realize their greatest potential and contribute to a harmonious and balanced world. We grow more conscious of our connection to source energy as we begin to understand who we really are. All beings are connected by this divine energy, which also has the ability to create reality. We are able to consciously mold our fates when we comprehend and utilize this source. When we engage in intentional, cooperative activities, we become the catalyst for significant change. The recognition of our enormous responsibilities and limitless ability as creators follows this awakening. We are active participants in the vast fabric of reality, not just spectators. Every individual has a distinct viewpoint, which is essential to the overall development of the group. We respect diversity and allow it to enhance our common journey by appreciating and celebrating the many perspectives of the Earth community. we are standing on the cusp of an amazing future in which our concerted efforts and conscientious deeds open the door to a prosperous and enlightened society. Embracing this duty with joy and resolve, let us know that we have the ability to bring about a brand new earth that is full of love, light, and endless possibilities. Motivational words working together with people of other races is a fundamental aspect of our evolutionary history as a collective in the vast cosmos. We use cutting-edge technologies such as light ships vessels that expand our consciousness and surpass physical constraints in concert with one another. With the help of these amazing ships, we are able to travel beyond the boundaries of reality and establish connections with deeper realities and higher worlds. Stargates and portals are vital instruments in our endeavor to build the new Earth because they act as entrances to alternate universes. Through these portals, we can enter worlds of limitless potential where the seeds of change are planted. We acquire knowledge and energy through these portals and incorporate it into our reality to create a world that is peaceful and enlightened. The labor performed on the astral plane is similar to a hectic night shift in that it requires unceasing devotion and effort. Every intention to take part guarantees your attendance at the next event, when spirits come together to share concepts and energy. These astral gatherings are humming with energy as we all work together to imagine and build the future we want. We look forward to the times when our spirits unite in the astral realm as we partake in these celestial pursuits. Here, we strengthen our ties to one another, exchange creative ideas, and learn from one another. By taking an active role, we not only hasten our own personal development, but also aid in the overall elevation of all beings.